This is a sawmill where they cut lumber for making pallets out of. So pallets have to be pretty strong, so they're a little bit selective on what boards they save and what ones they don't. So the ones that aren't perfect, they toss over here, and I asked them if they'd let me have them, and they said yes. So I'm going to use them for a project, and well, now we just got to get them loaded up and take them home and get them dried out too. Well, here's what we ended up with. Some of it's no good. I just kind of threw everything in here. We'll take it home and then I'll stack it up to dry and try to sort it when we do. This was free, so I can't complain about the condition of any of it. I'm happy to have it. It should come in useful for a number of projects, really. Well, since I'm here, I'm also going to get some free sawdust. We use this for mulch around the place as well as chicken bedding, and can use quite a bit of it. I had the kids help me and we got it unloaded and stacked up. I stacked it in a crisscross fashion, each row going the opposite direction because it's really green and wet yet and it needs to dry a lot. Each row's running the opposite direction. That should, with the weight of itself, help it dry flat. And then I put the few bigger, thicker boards on top just to kind of hold everything down. So this is kind of cool to have all this this pallet lumber. I think I should be able to do some useful things with this, and I've got a few projects in mind that I'll keep you up to date on. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to our channel and please like this video and leave a comment below.